Thank you for returning to Wealthy Coins. How much would 20 million Shiba Inu coins be worth in the year 2025? According to SHIB News, the much-anticipated Shibarium is almost finished. When the Shiba Inu team announced that their Layer 2 blockchain solution testnet was up and running, it sent shockwaves across the cryptocurrency community. Upon hearing that the Shibarium testnet is going online, the price of SHIB started to climb. The rising demand for Shiba Inu among investors. Buying in before the anticipated boom after the product's actual launch is a contributing factor to the coin's good performance. With the creation of Shibarium, the major problem of Shiba Inu's reliance on the Ethereum blockchain was addressed. Developers will be able to build atop the Shiba Inu ecosystem because of the blockchain solution. So it's one of the key instruments that will boost the acceptance of Shiba Inu currency. This video will go over the projected value of 20 million Shiba coins by the year 2025. Please subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up if you want to get the latest updates on expert analysis and price predictions for Shiba Inu on SHIB News. Now is the time to begin the video. The Shiba Inu price increased by 31.2% over the past 7 days and 15.2% over the previous day on January 17th, according to CoinGecko. As of right now, SHIB is the 13th most valuable cryptocurrency in the market. At $0.12, it was in the top 100 cryptocurrencies on a given day. On top of that, the meme coin's 24-hour trading volume surged by almost 200% on Binance and Coinbase, where the bulk of these transactions occur. Following the strong rises of market leaders like Bitcoin and Ethereum, altcoins are experiencing a similar pattern as seen in previous market cycles. Traders may be reinvesting their gains from high major assets into smaller ones, which could explain this. Information gathered by CryptoQuint indicates that more than 14 trillion SHIB tokens were traded on January 10th, the amount of tokens being transferred to these platforms has increased dramatically. Given today's price hike, it's possible that assets will be utilized to open derivative bets rather being sold in the spot market. The recent price swings of SHIB have been influenced by the derivatives market. If long holdings begin to sell, the price could become more erratic. An Ethereum-based Layer 2 network called Shibarium is in the works, according to the Shiba Inu team's announcement earlier this week. The group made note of this in the blog post that introduced the idea. In spite of popular belief to the contrary, Shibarium has never prioritized artificially inflating prices. On the contrary, the group maintains that their new Layer 2 network would increase the efficiency of ecosystem token transactions while decreasing overall costs. The price of SHIB has risen dramatically throughout the month of January. Still, it's wise to proceed with caution since longer timeframes don't always yield the most promising positive signals. Due to several profitable day trading opportunities created by the month-long rise in volatility, investors are closely monitoring the Shiba Inu price. While the market is temporarily stalling, there are reasons to be skeptical of the upswing's long-term prospects, even though the technical indicators are heading north. At the moment, one Shiba Inu will set you back between $0 and $0.1037, using the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, on a daily basis. An unusual situation is shown by an indicator that assesses the possibility of a trend by comparing and contrasting previous pivot points. The indicators are positive, since they broke out of overbought conditions over 70 during the most recent rally. Unfortunately, the weekly RSI was little impacted by the increase. While remaining in the neutral zone, the rise displays a hidden bearish divergence. The market's early bulls may be getting a subtle signal that they're about to experience a waterfall and may be liquidated in the coming weeks. If this is so, the present SHIB price might fall by 25% if a challenge to the recent genesis point at $0.08 is successful. In addition, intelligent investors may evaluate SHIB's future rally potential at the liquidity level above the hidden bearish divergence. If the $0.011516 level is breached, the bearish thesis might be disproven. A rebound towards the August high of $0.011793, which would be 75% higher than the current market value of Shiba Inu on January 15, 2023, would then be initiated. The comment thread was filled with folks gushing about Shiba Inu. Dogecoin was the first meme token, established in 2013 as a joke on Bitcoin, and some people even prefer it to it. There are currently no signs that the market is turning around and SHIB is still climbing fast. Several large cryptocurrency exchange listings and upgrades to Shibarium are likely the main causes of this unexpected growth. The possibility for a breakout has been indicated by the fact that Shiba Inu has been consolidating at the 200 to 100-day moving average for more than 4 days. This consolidation period may have preceded today's breakthrough. On the other hand, David Jin has only ever tweeted about Doge and Shiba Inu. Assuming the present price trend in the market persists, we should expect to witness the burning volume continue to climb. By market cap value at the start of December, the San Francisco based exchange's Ocoin Japan business served as the Japanese trading platform. According to the latest Shiba Inu coin news, the market is not expected to perform much, and the bearish tendencies are still there. The sector may need some time to recover from this trend, although there are many who anticipate a significant crypto winter. There are also many who anticipate a profitable future for investors. Price increases beyond the $0.269 goal are possible as a result of extra stimulus from projects like as DAO, Shibarium games, and NFTs. The price may fall to $0.185 as a result of the usual forces of supply and demand. Finally, bearish indicators suggest that the price may go below $0.102. Rising use by the retail and luxury industries might lead to widespread renown and an influx of wealthy customers. The increasing effect is evident in a sequential fashion, starting with the biggest share now held by whales and then moving on to retail and ordinary investors. A growing number of shoppers have benefited from the efforts of these merchants. Consequently, if demand increases, SHIB prices can hit $0.36. Nevertheless, the price could drop to as low as $0.35 due to falling SHIB statistics and poor demand. Bearish and bullish targets of $250 and $0 respectively would provide a solid base for the average price. If SHIB becomes a major participant in the metaverse and the creator's lofty goals come to pass, its growth is expected to be substantial in the future. Assuming regular buying and selling pressures in the market, the price of SHIB can range between $0 to $437. Unfortunately, negative sentiment and fear-based uncertainty FUD could cause the price to fall below $0.0318 if investors fail to meet the demand for the digital asset on exchanges. To be clear, from its all-time high of $0.08845, the price forecast for Shiba Inu has fallen by over 87%. The price forecast on Coinpedia suggests that Shiba Inu might reach $259 by the end of 2023 if the bulls make a strong comeback. Worst-case scenario, massive liquidations push the meme coin price down into a bearish hook, where it might fall to $0 or $112. Leash, the token that came after SHIB, was subsequently recruited by the network. In a flash, the network upgraded its rebase token to a form that was interchangeable with its original version. At this time, there is a fixed amount of 100,000 tokens, and the keys were burned. The network claims that those who help keep the currency liquid will reap particular rewards. Being a developing project, it is exceedingly safe due to Ethereum powering the network. Since Ethereum intends to transition from POW to POS consensus methods, Shiba Inu may reap some benefits from the change. Coin, Binance Coin, Wazirx India, and Uniswap are among the main exchanges that list the altcoin. So that's all for today. Stick around to see our latest videos by subscribing, sharing, and giving us a big thumbs up.